We now take you to the Eastern region, where the District Director of Education for Atiwa West, Vida Evelyn Parku, is calling for support to improve educational infrastructure to enhance teaching and learning in the district. She made the call when management of the Bountiful Technologies Corporation Limited conducted a two-day STEM educational robotics program in the district.
The workshop, organized by management of Bountiful Technologies Corporation Limited, was to build the capacity and empower teachers on how to enhance teaching in the era of modern technology using educational robotics for extra-curriculum program per the new basic education curriculum. Together with the teachers selected from various schools within the Atiwa West district in the Eastern region were taken through the process. Seth Eyim is the Executive Director of Bountiful Technologies Corporation.
What we are doing here is first changing the perception of the teachers that it is not just teaching theory in a classroom, but how do you bring that science to life? So this is not going to be a 9-day wonder. We are trying to first change the perception of the teachers, empower them. Then we are working with other non-profits that will help us get those kids after the training. What else? They should be able to go out with kids. So we'll be talking with our partners, that Vex Robotics and other robotics institutions and STEM companies around the globe and in Ghana, to see how we can support rural and underprivileged communities to engage the gifted talent that we can untap in those communities. So we will engage. Our goal is to train almost 2,000 to 3,000 teachers in the next 5 years through our STEM robotics education program.
The District Director of Education for Atiwa West, Vida Evelyn Parku, expressed gratitude over the program and called on stakeholders to provide them with computers to enhance teaching and learning.
Most of our schools haven't got computers. Even those who had the first time, they are broken down. And so we are pleading with all stakeholders, parents, NGOs, teachers, philanthropists, anybody who can help us to get computers for our young ones, so that the idea that is being shared now, we can uphold it to help us get the children acquire the skills that they need for their future.
Since the new educational curriculum is aiming at developing critical thinking Ghanaian child, I think this workshop is going to help the children in developing that idea in the children. And I hope the stakeholders will help the foundation to get enough equipment in our various schools, so that the foundation will help us develop the child that we need in our country.
Bountiful Technologies Limited, with Raspberry Pi STEM educational program, is a training program designed to educate Ghana youth about current technologies, helping them to discover their ability at building and program robots.